Confused about OS partitioning during installation? If you are feeling uncertain about operating system partitioning during installation, you are not alone. Many people find this aspect of setting up a computer to be a bit tricky. Let's break it down together so you can feel more confident. Partitioning is simply the process of dividing a hard drive into separate sections called partitions. Each partition acts like its own storage unit. This organization helps you install multiple operating systems or keep system files separate from user files. During the installation of an operating system, it is essential to have a designated space on your drive for the system to function properly. To start, a partition is a logical division of a physical hard drive. When you format a partition, you prepare it to store data by setting up a file system. For example, Windows typically uses the New Technology File System, while many Linux distributions use the ext4 file system. You can partition your drive before or during the operating system installation, often through the installer interface. There are different types of partitions: primary, extended, and logical. Primary partitions can host an operating system directly, while logical partitions are found within an extended partition. Different operating systems have their own partitioning needs. Windows supports both master boot record and GID partition table schemes. The GID partition table is more modern and can handle larger drives. Linux uses both master boot record and GID partition table, and it often includes swap partitions for virtual memory. macOS typically uses Apple File System, or HFS+, and relies on GID partition table as well. When installing an operating system from a USB drive, the installer will usually give you options to create, delete, or format partitions. If your disk is new or unpartitioned, you must create at least one partition for the operating system. If you have existing partitions, you can often reuse or resize them, but be careful, as this can lead to data loss if not done correctly. Formatting a partition will erase all data on it, so it is critical to back up any important files beforehand. Some installers offer a quick format, which is faster but skips checking for bad sectors, while a full format is slower but checks the disk for integrity. If you are considering a dual boot setup, ensure that the partitions are compatible with the operating systems you want to install. The bootloader must also be able to manage multiple operating system entries. Understanding partitioning during the installation of an operating system helps you allocate disk space correctly and avoid losing data. Whether you are setting up a single operating system or multiple systems on one machine, knowing how to partition your drive is key to a smooth installation process.